Wake up to a breakfast that's rich, indulgent, and secretly healthy. This protein coffee French toast is a remix on your traditional French toast with an espresso-like flavor profile. It's also just as easy as making your traditional French toast without any complicated steps or ingredients. Here's how to make it. Start with a large bowl. We'll mix all of our ingredients and dip our French toast in it later. Crack open and add 2 eggs. Add 1/4 cup of the milk of your choice. I've got unsweetened vanilla almond milk here. 1/4 cup of brewed coffee. And add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix all of your wet ingredients together until everything is combined. Then we'll add our dry ingredients. Add 1/4 cup of vanilla protein powder and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Whisk everything together until everything is combined. We'll use 4 slices of bread for this recipe. Place your bread into the mixture and let it soak for about 30 seconds. Then flip it over and let it soak for another 30 seconds before removing it from the mixture. Repeat this process for your remaining 3 slices of bread. Turn a burner on medium heat. Place a skillet on top of the burner and give it a light spray of oil. Place your bread slice on the pan and cover it with a lid. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then flip your bread over and let it cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the skillet and repeat the process for your remaining slices of bread. Then you're set to enjoy your protein coffee French toast. Just like your traditional French toast, except with more protein and a coffee twist to it. If you want a bit more sweetness, you can drizzle a light amount of maple syrup on top. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.